Flowsense opens with a steel-focused workspace setup, positioning the platform around the complete journey from raw material to ready steel. Here, the user selects the modules they need, from inventory and production to CRM, finance, and dispatch, so the system can match the way the plant actually operates. The main dashboard brings the entire business into one operational view. Leadership can see order value, production output, inventory, revenue, and plant performance at a glance, with charts that make trends and bottlenecks easy to spot. The AI Intelligence Center adds a decision support layer on top of day-to-day operations. It highlights risks, recommends actions, and gives teams a place to ask questions about quality, capacity, inventory, or finance, without digging through separate reports. Inside CRM and sales, Flowsense starts by summarizing the commercial pipeline. The screen shows order book value, open quotations, active leads, and conversion, helping sales teams understand exactly where revenue is coming from and what needs attention next. Lead management gives sales teams a structured list of prospects, inquiries, expected tonnage, deal value, probability, and stage. This makes it easier to qualify high-value steel opportunities, assign follow-ups, and keep every inquiry moving instead of losing it in spreadsheets. The opportunity pipeline turns those leads into a clear sales funnel. Users can track deal value by stage, monitor weighted pipeline, and open individual opportunities to review next actions, expected close dates, and negotiation status. Customer Master centralizes customer records for trading houses, dealers, OEMs, and government buyers. Credit limits, outstanding balances, locations, segments, and account status are visible in one place, which helps sales and finance stay aligned before accepting new orders. The quotation screen manages every quote issued to customers, including tonnage, value, validity, and current status. Teams can quickly see which quotations are open, closed, or pending, reducing manual follow-up and improving quote-to-order conversion. Sales orders connect confirmed customer demand to the rest of the business. Each order shows customer, type, tonnage, value, priority, and approval status, so production, inventory, and dispatch teams can plan from the same live order book. Product Master defines the steel products the business sells and manufactures. Users can manage product families, sections, weights, grades, cost prices, sale prices, and tax codes, creating a reliable foundation for quoting, planning, and costing. Steel Grade stores grade-specific chemistry and standards in a practical reference format. This is important because every heat, inspection, quote, and mill test certificate depends on accurate grade definitions and customer-approved specifications. The price list and variant generator helps users build pricing for many product variants quickly. By selecting a grade, length, and dimensions, Flowsense calculates item-level prices and compares them against the current price list, reducing pricing errors and saving commercial time. Production planning translates demand into executable production priorities. Planners can see planned output, order mix, bottlenecks, capacity utilization, and demand queues, helping them decide what to produce next and when. Work orders give the shop floor a controlled list of production jobs. Each work order includes machine, progress, planned timing, priority, and status, so supervisors can monitor what is scheduled, submitted, completed, or still in process. Manufacturing execution provides a real-time production control view across the plant. It shows machine availability, output, yield, specific energy, and live production lines, giving operations teams instant visibility into performance on the floor. The machine screen tracks every major production asset and its current condition. Capacity, OEE, power, operator assignment, and machine status are all visible, helping teams detect downtime early and keep rolling, cutting, and finishing lines productive. Heat and batch tracking provides traceability from heat number through production and quality checks. Users can see input weight, output weight, rolling percentage, alloy loss, pending quality control, and pass or hold status for each heat. Rolling campaigns organize production into planned runs, which is critical for minimizing changeovers and maximizing mill efficiency. The screen shows campaign numbers, product, heats, bundles, output, yield, and completion status in one place. Bundle Register captures finished bundles with identifiers, heat linkage, piece count, weight, quality status, and stock status. This ensures every finished bundle can be traced, inspected, stored, and dispatched with confidence. Quality management gives managers a live overview of inspections and compliance. Pass rate, pending inspections, rework, failures, open non-conformances, and issued reports are summarized so quality teams can focus on exceptions first. Quality Inspections lists each inspection record with its type, subject, date, inspector, linked certificate, and result. This creates an auditable quality trail and helps ensure no batch moves forward without the required checks. Mill test certificates are managed directly from the quality module. Teams can track certificates by heat, grade, customer, issue status, and dispatch readiness, making it easier to provide the documentation customers expect with every shipment. Maintenance brings preventive and corrective maintenance into the ERP workflow. The dashboard highlights scheduled work, open breakdowns, availability, mean time to repair, spare requirements, and downtime by machine. Maintenance work orders show the actionable maintenance queue for engineers and supervisors. Each job includes machine, type, assignee, downtime, cost, priority, and approval status, supporting faster repairs and better accountability. Procurement connects purchase activity to plant requirements. The dashboard shows open purchase value, pending approvals, vendor spend, and material requirements, helping buyers act before shortages slow production. Vendor master stores approved suppliers, performance scores, category, location, on-time delivery, and outstanding balances. With this view, procurement can compare vendors objectively and choose the right source for raw materials, consumables, and services. Purchase orders provide a complete list of procurement commitments. Users can monitor PO number, vendor, material, quantity, value, and status, ensuring approvals, receipts, and supplier follow-ups stay under control. Raw material is presented as a guided procurement and consumption workflow. The module supports bill and cargo inventory, material inspection, issue to production, and backcharging, giving the business control from incoming material through consumption. Inventory and warehouse summarizes stock health across the business. It shows stock value, available material, pickable and blocked quantities, warehouse utilization, reorder alerts, and aging stock, helping teams balance service levels with working capital. The stock screen gives detailed visibility into individual inventory lines. Users can search by product or grade, view on-hand and available quantities, check blocked stock, see values, and understand whether material is in prime, shortage, or blocked status. Warehouses show storage capacity and utilization by location and material type. This helps operations teams know where raw material, finished goods, consumables, scrap, and spares are stored, and whether space constraints are becoming a risk. Dispatch and Logistics manages the final movement of material to customers. The dashboard highlights pending dispatches, dispatch tonnage, loading activity, missing e-way bills, and dispatch trends for better delivery coordination. Dispatch orders turn sales commitments into shipment execution. Each record tracks customer, bundles, volume, vehicle, driver, and delivery status, so logistics teams can coordinate loading, documentation, and customer delivery without confusion. Finance and Accounts gives a financial command center for the steel business. Revenue, receivables, overdue amounts, collections, payables, credit balances, revenue trends, and aging are presented in one view for faster cash flow decisions. Invoices provide transaction-level visibility into billed sales. Finance teams can generate invoices, track paid and overdue amounts, review due dates, and follow up on customer balances directly from the ERP. HR and Workforce brings employee operations into the same platform as production and finance. Attendance, leaves, overtime, absenteeism, training, department strength, and pending leave requests are visible for better workforce planning. Employee Master maintains the core employee directory. Roles, departments, joining dates, salaries, and employment status are organized in one searchable table, supporting payroll, attendance, and accountability across the plant. Reports and Analytics consolidates performance across production, sales, inventory, quality, dispatch, and finance. The screen turns operational data into KPIs, charts, and exportable reports, so management can review plant performance and make timely decisions. Finally, the Flowsense demo page makes it simple to take the next step. Prospects can request a personalized walkthrough, share their company details, and see how the ERP fits their steel operation. Book your demo today.